capital project update.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman and Commissioners, for the opportunity to give you this brief update. I will keep it brief.
It's my last one, Bill. Keep it brief.
In that case, it might be protracted. So I'll kick it off with an update of Cruise Terminal 8 and 10 renovation. If you recall, we kicked off those two terminal projects, waterside and landside, in February of this year. The landside went to PCL and Hurd Construction. The marine contract went to Rush Marine. And I wanted to highlight a couple of photos here for you. This one is of the existing terrazzo floor in the second floor of Cruise Terminal number 8. And this floor has been down for about 20 years. It went down in late 1998. It's an epoxy terrazzo. We spent to date about $165,000 renovating this floor with a specialty subcontractor. They're just doing a fantastic job. So this is one of the challenges I wanted to highlight when you do a remodel project, the ability to take an aged terminal, refresh it so that it looks new. And I think the contractor and their sub have done a fantastic job on this floor. Epoxy crack repair, some metal inlay repair has taken place as well, and I think you'll be impressed when you see that in person. We have a couple of upcoming completion dates in April. We will be well ahead of these dates. Landside completion April 6th, marine side, waterside completion April 1st of 2021. This project here, on this photo here on the right, is the first floor baggage area of Terminal 8. And if you recall, the previous ceiling was a very light blue, aqua blue paint color. It was susceptible to showing signs of age, wear and tear, and cleanliness issues over the year in some areas that are difficult to get to and clean. So we've done a thorough cleaning of the ceiling. We've cleaned the ductwork inside and out, and we've replaced that paint with not a black fall, but a very dark blue fall paint. And we've installed new LED lighting, and it just gives a very modern touch on that facility. Just a few numbers there on contract amounts paid to date. This photo right here is at Cruise Terminal 10, waterside improvements. And if you recall, this dolphin sits to the east of the easternmost end of that Cruise Terminal 10 peninsula. So we worked closely once upon a time with the Canaveral Harbor pilots and also the Army Corps of Engineers. We had to revise the dimensions of the west turning circle and also the Army Corps of Engineers jurisdictional boundary as well in this area. So we went through that process about a year and a half ago or so, and now we're installing that dolphin. Certainly last but not least is our jetway style passenger boarding bridge that's being fabricated by Delta in Barcelona. You see the main rotunda right here. It's going to be delivered largely assembled in December of this year, commissioned late this year and into January of next year. I have a video that I want to show you. I want to thank my drone pilot, Patrick Hammond, and also our own John Van Maitre from Communications. They just did a great job on this video. It's got some interesting background music, and I will narrate it as well. I'm going to start with highlighting some new mooring dolphins off the Cruise Terminal 8 dock. We've procured 16 new 6.5-foot diameter foam-filled fenders from Trailerborg. We've equipped it with new fenders or new bollards across the berthing face. We've done some various dock infill sections to accommodate the new vessel. You'll see that existing gangway still in place, flanked by the new foundation and building penetration for the new gangway that's going to come later this year. This right here is a 24-foot wide new land bridge for luggage operations servicing the dock. This new building right here houses the debarkation ramp and part of the expanded concierge space. You're looking at the footprint of that deferred luggage screening hall that might come back at some point in the future. We've installed 2 new luggage collection canopies for ASI that does luggage collection for DCL. We've extended that POV drop-off by about 24 spaces, 335 feet, and 89 new spaces for crew and cast parking for DCL. You'll see some of the front entrance improvements, an open air, 6,700 square foot covered area to keep guests out of the weather, and almost 12,000 or 11,000 square foot of enclosed space as well. Landscaping is in place, the new planter bed, And as the camera pans around, you'll see those green glass block pavers that array the front entrance to the terminal. It looks fantastic. Architect did a great job. We just need to relocate that Disney Cruise Line marquee from its location currently to the new leading edge of that entrance hall expansion. And I like how this video ends, gives you great perspective.